To create your own children's book, firstly you should download Kindle Book Creator on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. We need click on KDP Tools and Resources. Here we are looking for Kindle Kids Book Creator. I chose version for Windows. You should choose version for your operation system. Downloading will take some time. When downloading is done, you should install it on your computer. Leave all checks in boxes and click Next. Click Install. And now installation finished. Before book creation, you should prepare pictures of which your book will consist. Here is my pictures. I have 24. Click on Create a new book, Continue. Here you should fill the files, title of book and name of author. My book is Lizzie, Stefan and Granny, and I am Julia Fox. Then you should choose a language of your book and pass for saving. Continue. Here you should choose book orientation. Continue. And I have no PDF file, I have separate pages, and I choose the second option and add the book cover. Then click Start Adding Pages. Here I start to add pages from the second page to the last one. Add all pages one by one. When all pages are added, I click on File, Save for Publishing, Saving, and after some time I have finished the book. Wait for a second. And here you can look at your book, how it will look like as a Kindle book. You can turn the pages, and as you can see, there are no problems. All colors look good. Then escape Kindle Previewer. So it is your book. This file you will upload on Amazon. Also, here is a cover of your book, and you will also upload it on Amazon. So it's time to publish your book. We are going to Kindle Direct Publishing again, but this time we need home page, and you must sign up here. I already have my account. For getting access to publish your book, you have to fill your account information, you have to fill payments and taxes information, and after that you can click to create a new Kindle yearbook. Here you should fill many files, fill book details, you should upload your book cover and content, set a price, and when you fill all these files and submit your book will become available for purchase on Amazon within some hours. Congrats! And when your book get published, you can click on view on Amazon and look at your book as a customer. You can look inside the book. I really love to do it. That's all. Now you know how to make and publish children's pictures book on Amazon, and I hope it will help you, and I will be glad to see you in my next videos. Goodbye.